Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be taking the topic that is type of salts. So basically there are three type of salts, that is acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. So quickly we'll go over the formation of the acidic salt. The first category of the type of salt, that is acidic salt. How is an acidic salt formed? Acidic salt is formed when a strong acid reacts with a weak base. So more number of H plus ion will be there as compared to the OH minus ion. H plus ion will be greater as compared to the hydroxyl OH minus ion, because of which the resulting salt will be acidic in nature. When this salt will be dissolved in water, the solution form will be acidic in nature. The solution form, it will be able to change the color of blue litmus paper to red. So over here I have taken the examples of strong acids. What are some examples of strong acids? The inorganic acids like the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these all are the strong acids. When they react with a weak base like the ammonium hydroxide or the copper hydroxide, then the resulting salt form is which one? It is the acidic salt. So acidic salt will be formed and water will be produced. So here we have taken the example of the HCl reacting with NH4OH. So first of all, this type of neutralization reaction between acid and base, it is a type of double displacement reaction. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन में जो रिएक्टेंट्स होते हैं, रिएक्टेंट्स के आयंस आपस में एक्सचेंज हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो पहला रिएक्टेंट है उसका पॉजिटिव आयन दूसरे रिएक्टेंट के नेगेटिव आयन से कंबाइन करके एक नया कंपाउंड बनाएगा. तो यहाँ पे H plus ion of acid combines with the OH minus ion of base to produce the water, and the NH4 plus cation, ammonium cation, combines with the chloride anion to form the salt, which is the ionic byproduct. तो यहाँ पे ये जो NH4Cl ammonium chloride form हुआ है, it is which type of salt? It is an acidic salt. Similarly, the reaction of HCl with copper hydroxide. When the HCl reacts with copper hydroxide, copper chloride salt will be formed, which is acidic salt. When these two salts will be dissolved in water, the solution formed will be acidic in nature. The solution formed, it will be able to change the color of the methyl orange to, it will change the color of the methyl orange to red. Now coming to the next one, that is the basic salt. How is a basic salt formed? Basic salt is formed when a strong base reacts with a weak acid. तो बेसिक सॉल्ट में जो OH माइनस आयन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होगा वो ज्यादा होगा. वाई? बिकॉज ओवर हेयर वी हैव टेकन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस रिएक्ट्स विद अ वीक एसिड to form the basic salt and water. So I hope you remember that what is the difference between strong acid and a weak acid. Strong acid shows complete ionization, it shows complete dissociation in water. जब हम किसी strong acid को water में dissolve करेंगे तो इस strong acid के सारे molecules H plus ion produce कर पाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, जब हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को आप वाटर में डिसॉल्व करोगे तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे वो सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स H प्लस आयन प्रोड्यूस कर सकेंगे. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड द वीक एसिड्स लाइक CH3COOH एसिटिक एसिड, HCOOH फॉर्मिक एसिड और द मिथेनोइक एसिड H2CO3 दैट इज कार्बोनिक एसिड. तो ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं वीक एसिड्स के. वीक एसिड को जब आप वाटर में डिसॉल्व करोगे तो वीक एसिड के सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स H प्लस आयन प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाएंगे. वीक एसिड्स शो इनकम्प्लीट और पार्शियल आयनाइजेशन. द वीक एसिड्स शो इनकम्प्लीट और पार्शियल डिसोसिएशन, पार्शियल आयनाइजेशन इन वाटर. सो ओवर हियर व्हेन द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस रिएक्ट्स विद अ वीक acid, which type of salt we are able to obtain? We are able to obtain a basic salt along with water. Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, these all are examples of basic salt. Here you are able to see NaOH reacts with the ethanoic acid, acidic acid, that is CH3COOH. CH3COOH, which is acetic acid, chemically known as ethanoic acid. it produces a basic salt that is sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate, and water will be produced by the double displacement reaction. Now come to the next one, that is neutral salts. Neutral salts are formed when a strong acid combines or reacts with a strong base. So over here we have taken the example of the strong acid HCl, H2SO4. They are reacting with a strong base NaOH, KOH to form the neutral salts like NaCl and K2SO4. So NaCl, Na2SO4, KCl, K2SO4, these all are categorized under the category of which type of salt? These are categorized under the category of the neutral salts. So इस टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस किस फॉर्म में आ सकते हैं? क्वेश्चंस कैन कम इन दिस tabular form and you can be asked to fill the missing data in this table. So you are able to see that in this table, in one column the formula of the salt is given, in the other table for some salt the acids will be given कि ये जो salts हैं ये इन particular acids से बने हुए हैं, तो acids आपको कुछ given होंगे, कुछ missings होंगे. Similarly, there is another column where you have been given the names of the base. So for some of the salt, the base from which they are produced, it is mentioned. But कुछ salt के लिए यहाँ पे जो base, जिस base से ये salt बने हैं वो base missing है, base का formula missing है. So आपको यहीं पे ये data fill करना है. Also you have to fill in the type of salt. कि what is the type of this salt? This salt is acidic, basic, neutral. What is the type of salt? So the first one, that is sodium nitrate NaNO3. So now I will be telling you step by step, okay, the easy method, that step by step how you will get this table correctly done. But you have to focus, step by step you have to see. Okay, so in the very first step, just observe what I am doing. Here you will be given the name or the formula of the salt. Salt क्या होता है? We have discussed that salt, it is formed by the reaction between acid and base. Salt, it is an ionic byproduct which is formed. It is an ionic compound. Salt क्या है? Salt एक ionic compound है. Ionic compound है. So it will consist of a positive ion. It will consist of a negative ion. Okay, ionic compounds they consist a positive ion and a negative ion. तो सबसे पहले स्टेप में आपको सॉल्ट के पॉजिटिव कैटायन को और नेगेटिव एनायन को आइडेंटिफाई कर लेना है. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेप should be very correctly done to identify the positive cation and the negative anion of the salt. Now, second step, you have to combine the positive cation of this salt with the OH minus ion. You have to combine the positive cation of this salt with the OH minus ion. This way you will be able to obtain the formula of base. इससे आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? इससे आपको base का formula मिल जाएगा. Na plus when combines with OH minus, you get the formula NaOH, which is the formula of the base. Now how you will get the formula of acid? How you will correctly obtain the formula of acid? So उसके लिए जो salt का negative anion है, यहाँ पे salt का negative anion कौन सा है? Nitrate NO3. आपको salt के negative anion को H plus ion से combine कर देना है. You have to combine the negative anion of salt with the positive cation of water H plus. HNO3. H plus when combines with NO3, what is formed? HNO3. The formula of nitric acid. So this way you will be able to obtain the formula of the acid and the base. Now the reason why we have combined the salt with OH minus and H plus ion. Basically what we are doing over here is known as salt hydrolysis. हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Salt hydrolysis कर रहे हैं. Salt hydrolysis is just the reverse process of neutralization. Neutralization में आप एसिड और बेस को रिएक्ट करके सॉल्ट और वाटर प्रोड्यूस करते हो. सॉल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस में इसका जस्ट रिवर्स करोगे. सॉल्ट को आप वाटर में डिजोल्व करवाओगे और उससे आपको एसिड्स और बेस के फॉर्मूले मिल जाएंगे. यू विल बी एबल टू ऑब्टेन बैक द एसिड एंड द बेस. Why it happens? Because salt it is an ionic compound. Salt एक ionic compound है, तो जब ये water में dissolve होगा तो ions क्या होंगे? Ions dissociate हो जाएंगे. Ions एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाएंगे. Positive और negative ions आपके form हो जाएंगे. Alright. So therefore we combine the positive cation of the salt with the negative anion of water. Water का क्या फॉर्मूला है? H2O, which can be written like H plus and OH minus. H2O को हम और किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं? H plus और OH minus के फॉर्म में. As water में what all ions are present? H plus ion and OH minus ion. So over here the Na plus ion combines with OH minus and NO3 minus combines with H plus ion to give the base and acid respectively. So first step you have to take care. First step is identifying the positive and the negative anion. Second step, combining the cation with OH minus and combining the anion with H plus. You will get the formula of acid and base. Third step, अब आपको जानना है कि ये जो आपका सॉल्ट है इसका टाइप क्या है, ये एसिडिक है, बेसिक है, न्यूट्रल है, इसका टाइप क्या है. तो इसके लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फॉर दिस यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई which is the type of acid and what is the type of base, whether it is strong acid, whether it is a weak acid, whether it is a strong base or whether it is a weak base. HNO3 nitric acid, we know that it is which type of an acid? It is a strong acid. NaOH, it is also which type of an acid base? It is a strong base. So when a strong acid reacts with strong base, which type of salt is formed? The type of salt formed is the neutral salt. So here the salt form is neutral salt. Similarly, step by step we'll cover the next one. Step by step I will be solving this particular question, okay, by the steps that we have discussed just now. So पहला step क्या था? इस salt में cation और anion को identify कर लेना, तो वो कर लेंगे. Cu, it is the cation. Cl minus, it is the anion. Next step क्या था? Cation को किससे combine करवाना था? OH minus से. So you will combine the Cu plus with OH minus. तो क्या फॉर्मूला बनेगा? कॉपर की वैलेंसी you will take as 2. Hydroxide OH की वैलेंसी is 1. So on cross multiplying you will get the formula of the base as CuOH whole twice. So the base is CuOH whole twice. वैलेंसीज आपकी एकदम सही से प्रिपेयर होनी चाहिए, then only the formula you will get it correctly. Okay. Now for the acid, what we have to do for obtaining the formula of acid? जो आपके सॉल्ट का नेगेटिव एनायन है उसको आप H plus आयन से कंबाइन करा दोगे. HCl. HCl, it's the formula of hydrochloric acid. Now to identify the type of salt. Third step, to identify the type of salt. उसके लिए you should know that whether this acid and base, is it a weak base or a weak acid, or whether it is a strong base or a strong acid. So HCl, it's a strong acid. COH whole twice, it is a weak base. So the salt formed by the reaction between strong acid and weak base, it is acidic salt. Similarly, just try to solve the remaining. Okay, practice the remaining ones and we will surely discuss on the same. Thank you.